Jason, sino ang dapat bigyan ng credit sa free tuition law?
Si ano po, Pam Aquino.
Si dating Pangulong Duterte daw yung pumirma eh.
Hindi, matagal ng ano na Pam Aquino yung pre-education niya, marami na po na pag-graduate si Pam Aquino.
I have to put on record. Now, the men and women who really fought for free higher education. In the House of Representatives, when I called for a meeting, only 4 lonely souls showed up in the meeting. And I think it is only proper that they be recognized. Congressman Joey Salceda, Congresswoman Ann Hoffel, Congresswoman Evie Escudero, and the Office of Speaker Alvarez. Only 4 lonely souls showed up in the meeting when we were talking about how to save the bill. The rest were just waiting for the veto. Literally. And the other one that I think we should really recognize is then Special Assistant to the President and now Senator Bongo. It was really Bongo who called me up, I think 4 days before the veto, and asked me to show up in the cabinet meeting to fight for it. And it was Senator Bongo who facilitated that the confidential memorandum that I will write will reach the President. So Senator Bongo, Speaker Alvarez, Senate President Coco Pimentel pushed very hard so that it will be explained properly to the President, and the President will see that it is fiscally possible to sign it. And so on August 3, 2017, I will never forget that day, August 3 of 2017, the bill will expire on August 5, 2017. So 2 days before its expiration and 4 days before the cabinet meeting, the President signed RA 10931. And things have never been the same since then.